Meet the team, overqualified, underpaid, and literally in the shit. Day one on the job, and our heaviest damn thing I've ever lifted. HR never mentioned literal hazardous waste. Abort! Abort!
Who's to buff pass?
And that, kids, is why we always read the fine print in our contract. Send help. Send a hazmat suit. Well, that escalated. This is why we don't vote for management. And that's why we never trust a cat with benefits. Abort! Abort!
Moral of the story: never build sandcastles in a cat's bathroom. Thanks for watching!